Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Balanced budget twist, spending rises, taxes fall, but real GDP might not see the biggest possible jump. And the key is what happens to interest rates. Start with the policy move. Higher government spending plus lower taxes is expansionary fiscal policy, so aggregate demand rises and real GDP should increase in the short run. But watch this. If the government began with a balanced budget, extra spending and tax cuts can require borrowing, and that borrowing pushes interest rates up. Higher interest rates make borrowing costlier for firms, so private investment falls, crowding out part of the boost, and that makes option D correct. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, rush signs. Rule, trust given details and check each step before choosing the crowding out answer.